Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a sticker. I have this logo here that the customer sent, and so first things first is we're going to select it. We're going to go to our offset panel here on the right side, and then we're going to select offset. Now when you hit offset, you want to make sure that these lines from the top image is connecting to this one here. So that way you know you'll have one big cutout. So what we're going to do from here is select apply. And now you see all the excess red lines have disappeared. Now this area I do not like. I want to bring it down. So we're going to start working with edit points. We're going to double click, hold down shift, click and drag over all the edit points that you do not want, and then hit delete. This right here, little cutout, I don't want that. So shift, click and drag and delete. Now everything else looks fine to me. So now we basically made our outline, our offset for our sticker once we print it out. So let's zoom out and do that by going here, hitting the zoom out button. I'm going to click and drag all of that, right click and hit group. So when I move it, it will move in one piece. And I'm going to hit fit to window so that I can see my workspace. And I'm going to just drag this over here. I don't know why my computer is moving slow today. But anyway, we want to go to add our registration marks on. So we're going to go to page setup, registration marks, and turn them on. Now anything outside these lines, it will not cut. So we're going to drag our image where we want it. Going to highlight it. And then we're going to go to object, replicate to the right. And that's too close, so I'm going to hold down shift and tap my right arrow key to give it some space. Now I'm going to click and drag this, go to object, replicate a row, column of 4. So it's going to duplicate it down here. You want to give them a little bit of space between. So highlight all this, shift, down arrow key. Select this row, shift down arrow key, shift down arrow key. And looks like we can probably get one more row. So I'm going to select that. Bottom row, object, replicate below. Shift and down arrow key. So that looks pretty good to me. I don't think we can get another one under there. But we can try. Object, because I don't like to waste paper. Replicate, duplicate below. And let's see. Nah. Okay, so now we have our stickers on in our workspace, and all there's left to do is to print and then cut. So I'm going to go ahead to my printer and print it out, and then I'm going to cut it on my Silhouette machine. Okay, so now that I have this up, I wanted to show you also how to send it to your Silhouette. So you go to send up here, and it's going to highlight everything in red that's going to cut. We do not want the inside to cut. We just want the edge to cut. So we're going to click and drag and highlight all of them and go up here where it says cut edge. And that's just going to highlight the outside. Okay. So you want to set your blade to whatever is best for your silhouette. So I do either a 4 or 5 blade. Force, I normally do like 15, and my speed is always on 10. Okay, so go ahead and cut your sticker out, and then we will have our finished product. All right, this is what we have, and we can go ahead and peel it off of our cutting mat, and we have our stickers. Okay, let me take one off. We have our contoured cut sticker. There you go. So if you have any questions, need any help with anything, just let me know. All right, bye.